The real causes of asthma are still unknown. It is known for quite a long time, but yet the medical researchers have no knowledge about the main cause of this long-term inflammatory disease of the airways. The symptoms of this disease can vary from one patient to another. Therefore, it is very important to know what can trigger your asthma. The doctors believe that when the asthma patient's airways come in contact with the triggering element, the airways suddenly get narrowed, inflamed, and get filled with mucus. The twitch of muscles, swelling of mucosal membrane, inflammation, and the sudden occurrence of mucus signals that you have an asthma attack. Knowledge regarding the triggering elements can save any asthma patient from asthma problem. Things that can trigger your asthma. Infections. The infections of the upper airways, including flu and colds, can also trigger the asthma attack. Patients should remain prepared to deal with the attack, if they have such infections. Airborne irritants. These are usually known as allergic elements like dust particles, cigarette smoke, pollution, and fumes, which are described as airborne irritants. These irritants can anytime trigger asthma. The patients should use a mask or stay away from polluted areas to prevent the attack of asthma. Allergens. The allergic elements like dust mites, pollen, feathers, and animal fur can also trigger an asthma attack. The asthma patients should know about these allergens and stay away from these allergens to avoid sudden asthma problem. Emotions. This may sound a bit weird, but too much stress or laughter can also trigger the asthma attack. The patients must try to stay calm and stress-free to avoid sudden attack of asthma. Medicines. If an asthma patient uses medicines like non-steroidal painkillers, he or she may suffer with an asthma attack. It is advised to consult with the doctor and then take the anti-inflammatory medicines to avoid the asthma attack. Food additives. The food additives are mixed in foods to improve their quality and also for preserving those foods for a long time. The researches show that some of these additives, including sulfites and tartrazine, can also trigger asthma. Alcohol. The asthma patients may be unknowingly affecting their condition to their disadvantage by consuming alcohol. They may be allergic to alcohol or any ingredients mixed in it and thus suffer health problems. The indoor conditions. The conditions like damp, mold, and chemicals in the flooring or carpet materials can also trigger your asthma. So, choose the material for carpet and flooring wisely. Fragrances. Fragrances of scented candles and air fresheners may irritate the airways of the patient and may aggravate allergy, leading to an asthma attack. Weather conditions. The weather conditions like windy days, sudden changes in temperature, thunderstorms, cold air, and humid weather conditions can also trigger the asthma attack. There are many other things that may trigger your asthma, which include the food allergies, intense workouts, wood dust, latex, flour and grain dust. There is no complete list of what can trigger your asthma. The patients concerned need to be observant what might be suitable or not for his/her health.